Zero Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone, I am Mangesh Chavan, pursuing diploma in third year electrical engineering at Zil Polytechnic. Today me and my group are presenting the presentation on energy efficient lighting. Energy for lighting. We spend about one quarter of our electrical budget on lighting, or more than $37 billion annually. Technologies developed during the past 10 years can help us cut lighting cost 30% to 60% while enhancing lighting quality and reducing environmental impacts. Objectives. Let's see what we are going to see in this PPT. Lighting principle and definitions. Types of lighting and how each works. Energy efficient lighting options including day lighting for new or retrofit applications. How lighting is measured. The most common measure of light output is the lumen. All lamps are rated in lumens. The distribution of light or horizontal surface is called its illumination. Illumination is measured in foot candles. A foot candle of illumination is a lumen of light distributed over a 1 square foot area. How much light do we need? The task being performed, ambient task, accent, the ages of the occupants, the importance of speed and accuracy. Factors affecting the quantity of lamps required. Fixed efficiency, lumen output, the reflectance of surrounding surfaces, the effects of light losses from lamp lumen dissipation and direct accumulation, room size and shape, availability of natural light, daylight, how much light we need. In the first space were designed for as much as 200-foot candles in place where 50-foot candles may not only be adequate but superior. Not only does overlighting waste energy but it can also reduce lighting quality. 30 Fc of ambient light for computer room, 50 Fc for reading and writing. Color radiant index. The ability to see color properly is another aspect of lighting quality. The color radiant index CRI scale is used to compare the effect of a light source on the color appearance of its surrounding. A scale of 0 to 100 defines the CRI. A higher CRI means better color reading or less color shift. Types of lighting. There are four basic types of lighting: incandescent, fluorescent, high intense discharge, and low pressure sodium. Incandescent light. Light is produced by a thin coil or tungsten wire that glows when it is heated by an electrical current. Shortest lives, insufficient. Types of incandescent bulbs. Standard incandescent, most common yet the most inefficient. Larger wattage bulbs have a higher efficiency than smaller wattage bulb. Tungsten halogen. It has a gas field and an inner coated that reflect heat. Better energy efficiency than the surrounded A-type bulbs. Reflected lamps. Reflected lamps type R are designed to spread light over specific areas. Flooding, spotting, and downlighting. Fluorescent bulbs filled with an argon or argon krypton gas and its small amount of mercury, coated on the inside with phosphorus. Equipment with an electrodes at bulb ends 3 to 4 times as efficient as incandescent lighting. Fluorescent lamps provide light by the following process. An electrical discharge current is maintained between the electrodes through the mercury vapor and inert gas. This current excites the mercury atoms, causes them to emit non-visible ultraviolet radiation. This UV radiation is converted into visible light by the phosphorus light line the tube. Fluorescent bulbs. Fluorescent lamps last about 10 times longer than incandescent bulbs. Fluorescent lines need ballast, that is, device that controls the electricity used by an unit for starting and current protection. Types of fluorescent. These are the diagrams of fluorescent tubes and compact fluorescent CFLs. CFLs. CFLs can replace incandescent that are roughly 3 to 4 times their wattage. They last 10 to 15 times as long. Cost from 10 to 20 times more than comparable incandescent bulbs. One of the best energy efficient investment available. LED. An LED lamps or LED light bulbs is an electrical light that produces light using light emitting diode. LEDs. LED lamps are significantly more energy efficient than equivalent incandescent lamp and can be significantly more efficient. More fluorescent lamps. The most efficient comparable available LED lamps have efficiency of 200 lumens per watt. Commercial LED lamps have a lifespan many times longer than incandescent lamp. Comparison between CFL and LEDs. CFLs and LED. In CFL, power consumption is more and in LED, power consumption is less. In CFL, it contains mercury and in LED it does not contain mercury. In CFL, destruction is difficult and LED is easy. In CFL, efficiency is less and in LED efficiency is more. In CFL we need ballast and in LED we don't need ballast. High intensity discharge lamps, HID lamps. High intensity discharge HID lamps provide the highest efficiency and longest service life of any lighting type. Mercury vapor, metal halide and high pressure sodium. Efficiency. This is the ratio of light output from a lamp to the electric power is consumed and in measure in lumen per watt LPW. Improved lighting controls. Snap switches, photocells, timer, occupancy sensors, dimmer. This all information we are taken from internet like Google, Chrome, Wikipedia. That's it. Thank you very much.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.